Good morning, everyone. Today is August 8th, 2015. It is 10:10 a.m. Basically, I am going to show you guys how I set up my chart to trade my Forex strategy. As a disclaimer, you're not guaranteed to make money doing this, and it is for educational purposes only. Again, you're not guaranteed to make money doing this, and it is for educational purposes only. Getting started, if you trade Forex, you should have MetaTrader 4 platform installed on your PC. These are your pairs over here on the left, and basically when I install a pair on my platform, by default this is what the pair looks like, and I'm going to use EURUSD since it's the most commonly traded pair in Forex. So I right click on EURUSD and hit chart window. By default, this is what the chart window looks like when you load the chart window. I'm going to make some changes to this chart window based on the way I trade my strategy. So first of all, you right click on the chart and go to properties. You want to leave bar chart ticked. You want to tick show ask line, and you want to turn off the background grid. You also want to check the chart shift. So I'm going to check that. And then I'm going to go to colors. I select colors. Bar up, I want to change it to white. Bar down, I want to change it to red. Bull candle, I want to change it to white. Bear candle, I want to change it to red. That's it. Click OK. As you can see, the chart has changed. Now I'm going to scroll in or zoom in for just a little bit and show you the bars the way they came out once we set the chart up. Now you can trade it just like this, but we have another indicator we need to load, and that indicator is the Heiken Ashi indicator. So again, insert, indicators, custom, Heiken Ashi. These tabs up top, leave them by default just the way they are. Do not change anything in these tabs. Click OK, and there it installed or overlaid your Heiken Ashi indicator over the bars, and this is what it should look like. Now, another indicator we're going to add is the Stochastic. I think I'm saying it right, Stochastic. But you go to Insert, Indicators, and you want to go to Custom and Stochastic. Now, by default, you can leave it just like it is. But this light sea green color, I don't necessarily care for that color, so I'm going to change it to white. Everything else, leave it as is. But one other thing on the colors, when you change this to white, change this to number 2. Leave the red as 0. And then click OK. There's your indicator, your stochastic indicator. Now, another indicator I'm going to add is the RSI indicator. If you go over here to the left, your indicators may appear to look like this, unexpanded. So I'm going to expand the indicators, scroll down to the RSI, left click and hold, and drag it to the right, release. You can change this color to whatever color you want, whatever color suits you, but I also change my line width to 2 and click OK. There's the RSI indicator, relative strength index indicator, that is overlaid on your stochastic indicator. So that's what your chart should look like so far. Another indicator I'm going to add is the one-click indicator. You right click, one-click trading is the indicator, and you'll see it appear once I select it in the upper left hand corner. There you go. Now on this indicator, when you're trading, you can change your lot size here too. You can, bump your lot size up or bring it back down. That's how you change it. You can click buy. This window here pops up. You can click buy the market or sell the market. Same thing with sell. When you click sell, window pops up. You can click sell the market and buy the market. Two more indicators, moving averages. Again, insert, indicators, custom moving averages. Now, first indicator I'm going to set up on the custom moving averages is a 14 period. And you want to change the method to exponential. Double click exponential. Okay. Go to colors. I want to change this to yellow. The width, I want to make it 2. That's all you have to do. Click OK. There's your 14 exponential moving average indicator. One more indicator is a 50 exponential EMA. So again, insert, indicators, custom moving averages. I'm going to change this color to green, and you can change it to whatever color suits you. I use green, so that's the way I'm going to keep it. I change the line width to 2. I go to inputs. This needs to be 50, and this needs to be exponential. Again, click OK, and there is your 50 EMA. Basically, that's how you should start to set up your chart to learn how to trade this strategy I am going to show you and teach you. Again, as a disclaimer, this is for educational purposes only. It is not guaranteed or indicative that your results may be the same results I get trading this particular strategy. Some people just tend not to follow directions well or stick to the strategy, and they have different results. Basically, your results may vary. But if you set this up and learn how to trade it like I've learned how to trade it, and create your demo account and demo it and trade it every day, 9 times out of 10 you're gonna become very successful at Forex trading. But if you deviate from the strategy, you're gonna have negative results. I suggest you demo this, and you demo it for anywhere from 6 months to a year. That's my opinion. That's my suggestion. You don't have to follow it, but again, your results may not be indicative of my results. Again, you want to install the one-click trading indicator. You want to install the 50 EMA. You want to install the 14 EMA. You want to install the Heiken Ashi candles. You want to install the Stochastic Indicator. Man, I have trouble saying that. Stochastic Indicator. And you want to install the Rsi Indicator. Those are the only indicators you will need. Those are the only indicators that I use. I have a couple of more that I use, but I'm not going to even put those on there right now because I don't want to confuse you. Those indicators, the other indicators that I use, are basically confirmation indicators. They just confirm that based on me getting in a buy or a sell, that is the direction that is going in. I got confirmation. I got some, in other words, I got a backup plan. So it's just confirmation. Again, set your chart up like this and watch part 2 of this video, and it will explain why I trade it based on the filters and the indicators I have installed on this chart. One other thing, once you actually set this up, you can actually save this as a template, so you don't have to go through each individual step to put these indicators on your chart. And lastly, before I end this video, I'm going to show you how to save it. Basically, you just right click in the body of the chart and click template and click save template. Now, I'm going to save this template that I just set up for you guys as Heiken Ashi. That way I know it's my Heiken Ashi template. And it doesn't matter what time frame you trade it on. I usually trade it on the 30, the 15, or the 5. I rarely trade it on the hour or the 4 hour, the daily. I trade it on the 5, the 15, or the 30. I've tried trading it on the 1 minute, but that's just scalping, and I do pretty good with it, but it's moving faster than I have time to watch it, and I prefer not to trade it on the 1 minute. And that's just my opinion. That's just me. But I trade it on the 5, the 15, and the 30. Now, the reason I had you save the template is because if you decide to trade another pair, let's just say you decide to trade the USD CAD. So I'm gonna load that chart. Right click on it, chart window. Again, by default, this is the way it comes up. And I want to put the same overlay template on this one as I have on the EUR USD. So I would just right click on the body, template, Heiken Ashi. There you go. Same template setup as you do on the EUR USD. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, please post your comments and questions below. Thank you.